My name's Taaryn. I work for Department of Parks and Wildlife in Exmouth. I just am a bit of a plant nerd and love just the different diversity of plants and stuff that we have up here. We've had the most amazing couple of wildflower seasons since I've been with the department. Lots of rain events, which helps, and the gorges are really flourishing because of it. Because we've had quite a few rain events and there are a lot more plant species that are thriving, we also have a lot of food for the black flanked rock wallaby, which we've been doing a lot of studies on lately. Um, the Ipomea costata is one of their main plants that they love to eat and hide behind. You can see it draping down the side of the gorge there. It provides like a lovely habitat for them in behind there and protection. Also the ficus is the other one that you'll see, that's the main plant growing off the side, and you can also see their root systems going down into the cracks and the crevices of the gorges, in the same cracks and crevices that the black flank rock wallabies live in. Every now and then you'll see like a greyish sort of type plant on the side of the gorge. You saw a couple just then. That is the Tylotus obovatus. It has a beautiful purple flower head, and that's also another food for the black flank rock wallaby. There's quite a few different ones. There's a native plumbago that they like to eat as well. Just recently we were in Mandu Gorge and we saw a rock wallaby down on the gorge floor, and it was eating an acacia coriaceae seed pods, which was quite amazing. We'd never seen that before. So that was nice to get up close and personal and see that. Also, they were eating the Eremophila longifolia, which we didn't know that they ate before as well. That's perfect habitat for the black flank rock wallaby. You've got a really good photo of a ficus here, classic example of the protection for the rock wallabies. They also have little figs on them which are edible. When you're walking up gorges and it's a bit of a hot day or whatever and you see them, they're actually really yummy. Some people don't like them, but I do. I'm just going to take you through a couple of plants that are some of my favourites on the Cape Range National Park and the Exmouth Cape. There's the Leptocemo macrocarpum, which means with large fruit. It's commonly known as the toucan flower, and this is because of the very large red keel it has at the top of the flower. Also, a lot of the flowers tend to be around the centre of the plant or underneath the plant. It's found in limestone soils and outcrops along the west coast of Australia, ranging from Exmouth to Shark Bay. It is uncommonly seen any further south than that. Ipomea costata is a beautiful purple-pink funnel-shaped flower with lush green foliage. This is a favourite of the black-flanked rock wallabies. It's mainly a climbing or prostrate vine, which as it gets older gets woodier and becomes more shrub-like. It actually grows over itself and it tends to stand up a little bit. Other names for the plant is the rock morning glory, or the bush potato, wild potato, or sweet potato. This plant's tubers were used as a staple food for the Aboriginals. Tubers were dug up using a fire-hardened digging stick. Swainsona formosa. Formosa means beautiful or handsome. This is a very common plant around this area and most of Australia. The common name that everyone knows it by is the Sturt desert pea. It is not known where the connection with Sturt was, because it was originally named Calanthus dampieri after William Dampier, who had seen it in 1688 on the Dampier archipelago. A prostrate herb with amazing big red, orange, pink or white flowers. This is a widespread plant ranging from northwest of WA through the centre of Australia and into New South Wales. The ones that we have here on the Northwest Cape are more orange coloured, because the central boss, or the red dot in the centre, starting off as a green colour, and then as the flower ages it goes to an orangey colour and then eventually goes to a blood red. Tylotus nobilis, or tall mulla. This is a very elegant plant that grows in the shape of a candelabra. It has a purpley pink flower that stands tall above itself like the candles. It is found in most states of Australia and tends to grow en masse, so it's not uncommon to see fields of these flowers during the wildflower season.